गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। हर घर पाठशाला में आप सभी का स्वागत है। दिस इज कंप्यूटर क्लास 10th एंड वी आर स्टडिंग यूनिट 1 which is digital literacy advanced, under which we will study the printers. What is a printer? Printer, as you have seen, is shown in the image. A printer is an output device that prints paper documents. It includes text documents, images, or combination of both. While some printers can print black and white hard copies, most printers produce color prints. So what are we talking about is that printer एक डिवाइस है जो क्या करता है, जो भी हमने टाइप किया होता है उसको पेपर पे प्रिंट करता है, या जो भी हमारे रिजल्ट्स आते हैं उन्हें हम उसकी मदद से पेपर पे प्रिंट करते हैं। इट द आउटपुट यानी जो भी टाइप किया है हमने, इट इंक्लूड्स टेक्स्ट, यानी हम टेक्स्ट जो है वह प्रिंटर के आउटपुट में दिखा सकते हैं। एंड इमेजेस यानी पिक्चर्स की फॉर्म में भी हम प्रिंट आउट निकाल सकते हैं। एंड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ, और बोथ भी हो सकता है। बोथ जैसे कि इस इमेज में दिख रहा है कि इट हैज़ अ ग्राफ एज वेल एज टेक्स्ट रिटन। Some printers can print black and white, but nowadays there are advanced printers which print colored prints. Some important points. Before going further, I will discuss with you some important points. First is, what is a hard copy? जब हम कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं, what we see is the कॉल्ड द सॉफ्ट कॉपी। जो भी हमने टाइप किया, जो हमें मॉनिटर पे और स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट कॉपी। एंड व्हेन वी गिव द प्रिंट कमांड, आफ्टर दैट अ प्रिंट आउट कम्स आउट, दिस प्रिंट आउट इज नोन एज हार्ड कॉपी। आउटपुट कैन बी सेव्ड फॉर फ्यूचर। आउटपुट यानी रिजल्ट्स जो हैं वह हम सेव कर सकते हैं कंप्यूटर में। प्रिंटर कैन प्रिंट बोथ टेक्स्ट एंड इमेजेस। Printer can print both text, like it can type it can print the type document, and it can print the images as well. Images means pictures. Printer is an output device. Output device is that it prints the results. Printer prints on paper. Printer prints on a paper. Type of printers. Next we'll study is what are the types of printers. Classification of printers. There are two type of printers: impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers are called so because there is a direct contact between the hammer or the print head and the paper. So that's why it's called the impact printer. It is further two types: character printer and line printer. Character printer is further two types: dot matrix printer and daisy wheel printer. And line printer is further two types: drum printer and chain printer. Non-impact printers we will study in the next video. Impact printers. In impact printers there is direct contact between printer head and paper. It is two types: character and line printer. Character printer prints one character at a time. First type of impact printer is character printer. It will print only one character or one alphabet at a time, whereas line printer prints the whole line at a time. Character printers. Character printer is further two types. First one is dot matrix printer, which is called DMP, and second is daisy wheel printer, which is called DWP. In dot matrix printer, a character or alphabet is printed in form of dots. They are dots, and the dots make impression on the paper and form the character. Whereas daisy wheel printer is a printer in which there is a wheel on which the characters are printed, and the wheel is rotated, and when the correct letter comes, it strikes the ribbon. Ribbon has ink. In both dot matrix and daisy wheel, the ribbon has ink. When the print head or when the character strikes the ribbon, the ink comes out and spreads on the paper and make the image of the character. But the difference is dot matrix printer has characters in form of dots, whereas daisy wheel prints the whole character. Line printers. Line printers are two types: drum printer and chain printer. Line printers are the printers which print a whole line together. Drum printers, as we can see in the picture, is a drum on which characters have been written, and when the correct character comes, so it strikes on the ribbon, hammer strikes on the ribbon, and ribbon has ink, and the ink then spreads on the paper to create typing type of, it creates a typing type feeling. So another important point of drum printer is that these kind of impact printers are very noisy, because as you have seen old typewriters, what happens there is that when you press on a key, it makes noise. So it takes a lot of time. Also, printer, it cannot print colored prints, so these are their disadvantages. This printer has been outdated because of the new inkjet and laser printers. New technologies have come, so these line printers have become outdated. Next in line printers is chain printer. A chain printer, as you can see, chain is around the wheels of a bicycle. In a similar way, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि चेन जो होती है वो साइकिल के पहियों के अराउंड गूंदी होती है, उसी प्रकार चेन प्रिंटर में हैमर्स होते हैं और एक बेल्ट जैसी होती है, उसमें जो है कैरेक्टर्स लिखे होते हैं. जब सही कैरेक्टर रिबन तक पहुंचता है तो हैमर जो है वह कैरेक्टर की इम्प्रेशन पेपर पे छोड़ता है, और इंक जो है रिबन से पेपर पे पहुंच जाती है और कैरेक्टर बन जाता है. What are advantages and disadvantages of dot matrix printer? डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर के एडवांटेजेस हैं कि इट कैन वर्क इन हॉट एंड डस्टी इन्वायरमेंट, बोथ इन्वायरमेंट इट कैन वर्क. इट कैन प्रिंट कार्बन कॉपीज, लाइक इट कैन प्रिंट मल्टीपल कॉपीज. ऐसा नहीं कि एक कॉपी बनाएगा. इट इज़ चीप, सस्ता है. और डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं वेरी स्लो, it is very slow, then it is poor quality, then it is noisy, it आवाज़ करता है प्रिंट करती बार. और फोर्थ है it cannot print colored prints. Advantages and disadvantages of daisy wheel printer. First of all, I will tell you that you have to remember these definitions. Then important point is you have to remember the advantages and disadvantages as well, because these things come in paper again and again, and you don't know what kind of pattern comes, so you skip these things out of your mind. So DWP stands for dot matrix printer, and it is a kind of character printer which comes under impact printer. So daisy wheel printer, it is more reliable, it is better quality. Font can be changed. Font, what is a font? Font is a style of writing. Style of writing can be changed. Disadvantage of daisy wheel printer is it is slower than dot matrix printer, it is noisy, and it is more expensive than dot matrix printer. Now we have studied two type of printers, impact and non-impact printers. What is the main difference between impact and non-impact printers? First is that impact printer, it prints character by or images by printing, by striking, the hammer strikes on the wheel on the ink ribbon, and the ink ribbon makes the impression of the character on the paper. Whereas non-impact printers do not have direct contact between the hammer and the paper. It spreads the ink in the air, and through the air it goes to the paper and forms the image over there. Impact printers are slow, non-impact printers are faster. Impact printers have low print quality, whereas non-impact printers have high impact quality. Impact printers make noise, non-impact printers don't make noise. Impact printers use inked ribbon, whereas non-impact printers use toner or cartridge. Impact printers are less expensive, non-impact printers are more expensive. Dot matrix printer is an impact printer, whereas laser printer is a non-impact printer. That's all folks, thank you.